Software reengineering is the examination and alteration of a system to reconstitute it in a new form. The principles of reengineering when applied to the software development process is called software reengineering. It affects positively at software cost, quality, service to the customer and speed of delivery. In software reengineering, we are improving the software to make it more efficient and effective. The need of software reengineering. Software reengineering is an economical process for software development and quality enhancement of the product. This process enables us to identify the useless consumption of deployed resources and the constraints that are restricting the development process so that the development process could be made easier and cost-effective, time, financial, direct advantage, optimize the code, indirect benefits, etc. and maintainable. Reengineering factors. The quality of the software to be reengineered. The tool support availability for engineering. The extent of the data conversion which is required. The availability of expert staff for reengineering. 1. Inventory analysis. Every software organization should have an inventory of all the applications. Inventory can be nothing more than a spreadsheet model containing information that provides a detailed description of every active application. By sorting this information according to business criticality, longevity, current maintainability and other local important criteria, candidates for reengineering appear. The resource can then be allocated to a candidate application for reengineering work. 2. Document reconstructing. Documentation of a system either explains how it operates or how to use it. Documentation must be updated. It may not be necessary to fully document an application. The system is business critical and must be fully redocumented. 3. Reverse engineering. Reverse engineering is a process of design recovery. Reverse engineering tools extract data, architectural and procedural design information from an existing program. 4. Code reconstructing. To accomplish code reconstructing, the source code is analyzed using a reconstructing tool. Violations of structured programming construct are noted and code is then reconstructed. The resultant restructured code is reviewed and tested to ensure that no anomalies have been introduced. 5. Data restructuring. Data restructuring begins with a reverse engineering activity. Current data architecture is dissected, and the necessary data models are defined. Data objects and attributes are identified, and existing data structure are reviewed for quality. 6. Forward engineering. Forward engineering, also called as renovation or reclamation, not only recovers design information from existing software but uses this information to alter or reconstitute the existing system in an effort to improve its overall quality.